Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. My correct buddy, I welcome you to Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday, when be the 11th of February 2023. Our topic today say, not against flesh and blood. And our Bible reading they come from Ephesians chapter 6 from verse 12 to 18. Ephesians chapter 6 from verse 12 to 18. Our memory verse it come from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4, where it will say, the weapons what would they use they fight war, not be the weapons of this world though. Instead, there be ogbonge true Baba God to bring down any strong house. Now to the main message. I dey read my letters one day when I noticed two people wey write letters but they get the same surname. The first they come from one woman wey dey tell me say to make I pray give God, make God poof her mother-in-law because she be pians. The second one they come from the mother-in-law wey dey tell me say make I pray make God poof her daughter-in-law because she sef na pians. Of course, I never reason the prayer request themselves because Bible tell us say we not dey fight against flesh and blood. True, the person fit be tool for the hand of devil to take fight you, but you no go fight the person. You go on your knees and you go fight the powers of darkness wey dey behind that person. We get three type of hosts dem. The first one na angelic or heavenly host wey dey made up of angels of God, as we see am for Luke chapter 2 verse 13. We also get demonic host wey be the soldiers of Satan and their officers na principalities, powers, rulers of the darkness of this world, just as Ephesians chapter 6 dey tell us. And finally, we get human host wey be the armies of this world. E dey made up of the army, the navy, the air force, the paramilitary and others dem wey dem dey call host. Like for example now for inside 1 Samuel chapter 14 verse 19, the Bible talk about the host of the Philistines. Gbege dey between these hosts dem, and for inside Daniel chapter 10 from verse 4 to 14 for example, the demonic prince wey dey in charge of Persia block the angel wey dey call bring answer to Daniel wey don dey pray for 21 days until God come send angel Michael make e go assist am. Of course, we no fit see demons with our physical eye, but dem dey see us. So how you go take fight army wey you no dey see? You go need the help of person wey fit see them and wey go fit help you win the battle. The major reason why many people dey fall for the hand of devil and the angel be say dem dey try to fight spiritual matter with physical weapon. 2 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 4 tell us say the things that we take dey fight no be physical one o, but dem dey very mighty through God and dem dey bring down any kind of stronghold. If you wan win over the forces of darkness, you go need to employ spiritual weapons like worship. We see this one for 2 Chronicles 20 verse 22. Prayers, Ephesians 6 verse 18. The word of God, Ephesians 6 verse 17. Love, Romans 12 verse 20. And above all, holiness, from inside Proverbs chapter 16 verse 7. Our key point today be say, make you stop to dey fight people. Fight the forces of darkness instead. Na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, na him write this Open Heavens Daily Devotional.